Good morning, everyone. We are from BA263A, and today we will be presenting our Applied Business Software project, which is Microsoft Access Bright Minds Tuition Center Management System. This project was developed to improve the management of this tuition center by replacing the manual record-keeping system with a more efficient and organized database using Microsoft Access. We would also like to thank our lecturer, Mr. Darrell Hanson Matthew, for his guidance and support throughout this project. Without further ado, let's begin our presentation.
Now, I will briefly introduce our team members for this presentation. First, our first team members is myself, Imelda Philip, followed by Vanessa Ravenia, Mastina binti Mahaji, Nurashida binti Muhammad Aziz, Sharina binti Ali Mudin, and lastly Nur Izzati binti Abdul Aziz. Before I begin, I would like to highlight a simple but important reality in education. Not all students are able to fully understand lessons during classroom teaching alone, and some will always need extra guidance to reach their full potential. Hello, my name is Imelda Philip, and today I will present the introduction of Bright Mind Tuition Center. Bright Mind Tuition Center is an educational institution established in 2020 and located in Kuching, Sarawak. It was founded by Lydia Puyang Zhao with the main objective of providing additional academic support for students who required guidance beyond the formal classroom environment. In today's education system, students are expected to perform well in various core subjects. However, differences in learning pace and understanding often makes this challenging. Therefore, Bright Mind Tuition Centers serve as a supportive platform to strengthen students' academic foundation and build their confidence in learning. The center offers tuition classes for both primary and secondary school students. The subjects include mathematics, additional mathematics, science, physics, chemistry, biology, English, and Bahasa Melayu. Throughout structured and focuses lessons, students are guided to understand key concepts more clearly, improve their problem-solving skills, and prepare effectively for examination. The center also applies a student-centered learning approach where teaching is focuses on individual needs, weaknesses, and learning pace. Students are encouraged to actively participate, ask questions, and engage in continuous practice to enhance their understanding. In addition, Bright Minds Tuition Centers provide a positive and supportive learning environment that helps to improve student motivation, disciplines, and attitude toward learning. Overall, Bright Minds Tuition Center play a meaningful role in supporting students' academic development in Kuching, Sarawak. Guided by its motto, Learn Today, Lead Tomorrow. The center believes that strong effort today will lead to future success.
I will explain the current problems faced by the tuition center's record management system. First, the center is currently using a manual record system. All information such as student ID, student name, student fee, tutor wage, tutor ID, and hours taken are stored using paper forms or spreadsheets. This makes it difficult to manage and update data efficiently. Staff often need more time to search for information, and there is also a risk of documents being lost, damaged, or duplicated. Second, there is difficulty in managing student-tutor records. This is because student and tutor information is stored separately in different files or spreadsheets. As a result, it becomes hard for staff to quickly identify which tutor is assigned to which student. This increases workload and also raises the chance of mistakes. Third, the system has slow information retrieval. Staff need to manually go through many files just to find student or class details. This process takes a lot of time and can delay daily administrative work. It also increases the possibility of human error during searching. Fourth, there is a lack of an automated reporting system. Currently, reports are prepared manually. Staff have to count and summarize student information themselves for management purposes. This process is not only time-consuming but also increases the risk of inaccurate data in reports. Finally, there is data redundancy and inconsistency. Because student information is entered repeatedly in different documents, duplicate records can occur. Sometimes different versions of the same data exist, making it difficult to maintain accurate and reliable information. In conclusion, these issues show that the current manual system is inefficient and prone to errors. Therefore, an improved or computerized system would help the tuition center manage data more effectively and accurately.
Now I will continue with section 3.0, which is recommendation to overcome the problem. To overcome the problem identified earlier, we developed a tuition center management system using Microsoft Excel for Bright9 Tuition Center. The purpose of this system is to replace the manual record managed process with a centralized database system. By storing all information in one database, the system can help to reduce data redundancy, improve data accuracy, and allow users to retrieve information much faster. This database is designed to manage tutor registration, tutor information, class schedule, and tutor monthly salary record efficiently. Besides that, user can easily update record, search for information, and generate report automatically. This can help the tuition center to improve its daily operation and make better management decisions. The database consists of 5 main components, which are table, queries, form, report, and relationship. I will explain each component one by one. So I will start with the table used in our database. Our database consists of 2 main tables, which are the student table and tutor table. The student table stores all student information. The fields include our student ID, student name, student age, student gender, class category, hour per month, student fee, and tutor ID. The student ID is used to uniquely identify each student, while the tutor ID acts as a forward key that links every student to their assigned tutor. This table allows staff to organize student records systematically, making the information more easy to update, search, and manage without creating duplicate records. Next is the tutor table. This table stores tutor information, including tutor ID, subject name, tutor name, class time, class day, hour rate, and hour per month. The tutor table can help the tuition center to manage tutor profile, teaching schedule, and salary information efficiently. By spreading student and tutor information into different tables, the database becomes more organized and follow proper database normalized principle. Now, I would like to explain the queries that we create in our database. Queries are used to retrieve, filter, and analyze data quickly based on specific criteria. This can help users to find the information they need without having to search through every record manually. The first query is the All Student query, which displays a complete list of all students registered in the tuition center. The second query is the Lower Form Student query, which filters and displays only students who belong to the lower form category. This can help the management to organize students according to their academic level. The third query is the student age 14 and above query. This query displays only students who are 14 years old and above, making it easier to group students based on age. The fourth query is the student tutor detail query. This is a joint query that combines information from both the student and tutor table, allowing users to view each student detail together with their assigned tutor in a single result. The fifth query is the tutor monthly salary query. This query automatically calculates each tutor monthly salary by multiplying the hour teaching rate by the total teaching hour worked each month, reducing manual calculate and improve accuracy. Finally, the last query is the total student query. This is an aggregate query that automatically counts the total number of students registered in the database. It proves the tuition center management with a quick summary of the current student population, making report and monitoring much easier. Overall, the queries can improve the efficiency of the database by enabling users to retrieve accurate information quickly, reduce manual work, and support better decision making.
Next is form. forms provide a user-friendly interface for users to enter, edit, and view data without directly accessing the table. In our database, we create 3 forms. The first is student registration form, which allows users to register new student, edit existing records, and delete unnecessary records. The second is the tutor information form, which used to manage tutor details such as subject information, teaching schedule, and hourly rates. The third is student tutor subform. The subform is linked to the student registration form and display tutor information related to the selected student. This makes it easier for user to view connected information without switching between multiple tables. Overall, form improve data entry accuracy, reduce user error, and provide more organized way to manage records.
Next, I will explain about report. This is the student report. It displays complete student information such as the student ID, name, age, gender, address, contact number, parent contact, lower form status, and assigned tutor. The report allows the tuition center to review student records in a clear and organized format. It can also be printed for documentation and future reference. The second one is the student total report. It combines data from both the student and total tables into a single report. It shows each student's assigned total together with the subject taught, class day, and class time. This makes it easier for management to monitor student total assignments without checking multiple tables. The last one is the total report. It displays total information including the total ID, subjects taught, class schedule, hourly rate, and monthly working hours. This report helps the tuition center manage total records and provides the information needed for salary calculation and scheduling. Overall, this report presents information in a clear and structured format. They improve data accessibility, reduce manual documentation, and support management in monitoring student records, tutor assignments, and total information more efficiently. This helps the tuition center make better decisions and manage daily operation effectively. Next slide, I will pass it to the next presenter.
Finally, I will explain the relationship in our database. Our database uses one-to-many relationship between the tutor table and the student table. The tutor ID is the primary key in the tutor table and the forged key in the student table. This means that one tutor can teach many students, but each student is assigned to only one tutor. This relationship can reduce data redundancy because tutor information only need to be stored once. In addition, we enforce referral integrity. This ensures that every tutor ID entered into the student table must already exist in the tutor table. As a result, invalid record cannot be created and data consistency is maintained throughout the database. Overall, this relationship can improve data accuracy, simplify record management, and follow related information to be retrieved efficiently through queries, form, and report. That concludes my presentation for session 3.0 until session 3.5.
In conclusion, the tuition center management system successfully improved the overall management of Bright Minds Tuition Center. It also provides a centralized database that makes data more organized and reduces redundancy. The system also increases efficiency through faster information retrieval, automated reports, and also reduced manual work. Lastly, it also supports better decision making by providing accurate information for planning and monitoring. Overall, this system offers a more efficient, reliable, organized solution for the tuition center. That's all from our group. Thank you.